Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Gmail plus Keep Notes plus Google Calendar together. So let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into Gmail, Google Calendar, and Keep Notes with the same Google account. Over here, go to keep.google.com and click Take a Note. Then give your note a title and description and click Close to save it. After that, hover over your note and click on background options to choose a color or graphic. Then open Gmail and select an email you want to turn into an event. Over here, click the three vertical dots at the top and choose Create Event. Next, in the event draft, click the Keep Notes icon on the right panel. Over here, you can copy details from your notes into the event or click Take a Note to add new information. Finally, click Save to store your event along with any notes in your calendar. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.